Hi, my Tucker boy. Hi, Tucker boy. Did you have fun running around the yard with your sister, Gypsy? Huh? Get back. Back, back, back. Good boy. I'm a good boy. Yes, you are. You just pet me, pet me. I want lots of attention. Let's go see what your sister's doing. Go see what your sister's doing. What is she doing? What's your sister doing, Tucker? Come here. That's a good boy. Oh, here she comes. Here comes your sister. There she goes. Go, go, go. Where are you going? Where are you going, puppies? Come on, go play. Go play. Go play. Come on, Gypsy. Go get Tucker. Go get him. Go get Tucker. Where's all the birdies at, huh? Daddy put bird seed out there and corn out there for the critters. Where are they all at, Tucker? Huh? Where's the birdies? Where's Mommy's kitty cat? Meow, meow, meow. Puppies. I know, you're watching for the birds down there at the bird feeder, aren't you? That's a setter in you. Nothing but watching birds, you and Gypsy.